Hello guys, today I will show you how to change headlight bulb on 2006 Honda Odyssey. So on this Odyssey, the left side bulb is working as you can see, so we have to work on the right side bulb. So let's work on the right side bulb. So the first thing we have to do, pop the hood. So once we pop the hood, let's go ahead. So this is the bulb I'm using, Silver Star Ultra 9006. Headlight bulb on this car is on right side. As you can see the connector, white connector, and this is the headlight bulb connector. So what you have to do, you have to put one hand underneath the connector and pull it, and the other hand top of the connector, push it. So there's connector. So I'm pulling from the bottom and pushing from the top. So I'm using here flathead screwdriver because it's very tight place over there. So just wiggle it around from the bottom, the connector, and from the top just push it with the screwdriver flathead, and you will take this out. So here you go. So the connector is came out. So put in a side. Just turn to the left side and it will comes out. So once this comes out, put on a side. Let's get the new one. So guys, Silver Star Ultra 9006. This is the bulb I'm using for this car. This is very bright bulbs, and let's open up. So just be careful when you open up these bulbs. They are very sensitive. They can be broke if falls on the ground. So just be careful. Here you go, guys. So just match the bulb to bulb. If it looks same, so it's okay. If doesn't look same, change change the one and get the one is the right one. So let's change it. I'm using both bulb on the new ones, one on the left side, one on the right side. To change the bulb, what you have to do, just be careful, insert the bulb all the way in. Make sure this bulb is all the way in. There's the three pins clips on the bulb, so just be careful. Those clips, you put the bulb all the way in and turn the clips towards the right side. So once all the way towards the right side, reconnect the connector. So once you reconnect the connector, the bulb should be okay to go. So let's start it. Let's see how comes. Here you go, guys. As you can take a look, I changed both sides the new bulb. The bulb will looks fine and they are working fine. Thank you so much.